Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the light bulb, headlight bulb on a Suzuki SX4. It will be the same for all generations pretty much from 06 until 2014. We're demonstrating on the left side, driver's side, but it's the same for the other side as well. So your bulb is located right there, okay, where that plug-in is, right here. So what you need to do, you need to press down, okay, right here you need to press down and pull, and those tend to get stuck pretty bad, so you need to kind of like push it really hard. And after that, what you need to do, you need to turn that circle thing to the counterclockwise, okay, like that, and now pull it out of there, okay, as you can see this one. And after that you can just pull the light bulb out of the headlight, okay. And this is the light bulb, and never touch it with your hands, guys, because the new one, you will make it burn, or oil from your fingers will get too hot and will make the new light bulb burn pretty fast. Okay guys, and this is the new bulb, and that's the number if you need it right here. And now you just need to go right here again. It's very limited room, guys, hard to show you, but it goes in a specific place. You will feel it there. Okay, as you can see, that's how it's supposed to be, like that. And now you need to install the white ring around it, the one that locks it, that prevents it from getting loose. Okay, so you need to go through the light bulb and make sure that you screw it clockwise now. Okay, you get tight, and next thing that you have left is just to install the wire. Make sure you hear the click. Okay. Thank you guys for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.